Close your eyes. Close your eyes, ha?
Dami mo na vlog. Ganda. Nagayang.
Hala, Tami, look.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Pasensya na sa loko. Pasensya na talaga. Good morning po. Tammy's here. So, I just got up 7 o'clock and then I called him and he said he's here. Pasensya na sa mata ko guys kasi itago natin. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, may ibigay ako sa kanya maliit at bilog na gamit niya. So, nagpuna-una talaga siya, guys. Napaisip. So, nagtataka siya kung ano yun. Ibigay natin yan kapag andito na siya. Nandun sa labas. Nanigarilyo. I'm just gonna have my breakfast. I don't like the eyeliner, guys. Kasi every morning, nakikita ko talaga pura akong si Dracula. This morning, I keep doing like this because mayroon pang extra. I don't know kung anong magandang pang-wipe. Pang-wipe na mawala talaga yung mga tira-tira from, you know, sa eyeliner. Kasi, ang pangit tignan talaga. Para kang this morning when I got up, I feel like ang daming nakalagay sa akin na black eye sa waterline ko sa baba. Okay guys, ibigay na natin yung advance birthday gift, pero maliit siya. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, ha? Don't open your eyes. Here. Okay, open your hand properly.
I don't know what probably.
Open your eyes.
Ball of glitter.
Just joking. Happy birthday, advance.
Thanks.
Happy birthday, advance. Happy birthday.
It's not top round.
I know. Sorry, it's not round.
I tell them, but it's not my birthday yet.
It's advance. It's a few days from now, like 2, 3. Okay, open it.
Oh, you tape it to the box.
Mm-hmm.
I can't slide the box out because you tape it to the box.
There's not tape to the box. You can slide if you want.
I tried. You want to slide? You don't want to slide if it was tape. Oh, maybe it was just tight.
Okay.
Oh, batteries. You can turn it upside down after I see the batteries. Oh, it's already open. On Apple Watch, too crazy.
No, it's Han.
On?
It's a gift. Wow, it's a. Open it.
It's too crazy, hon.
Open it.
Hon, I got no use for something that expensive for a freaking Apple
It's
Watch. It's got a pull tab, that's why.
Aww. And then, if you don't like the band, you can change it. You can buy cheap one at Amazon. For you, the one that you like, this one, you can buy.
Yeah, they sell it.
Cheap
Ballistic.
one. Yeah, okay. Oh, happy birthday, baby, and
Thanks, son.
born.
Too expensive, though. Really too expensive.
Gosh, honey, stop it. Stop
Huh?
it. Stop it. Wait, that's not for you. That's not for you. That's not for you.
It's got a spare watch band. What the heck is that?
Huh?
I guess it's known to break.
They send you what?
They give you a spare watch band.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm guessing it's
But you can buy a good one. People do.
oh, because it's a longer watch band in case you
Ah, that's nice.
This is the charger.
Okay, how do you do that?
I guess it doesn't. It's inductive. Very nice, thank you. Not too charging, just put the watch on.
Ah, I want, there is a phone like that, right? Hala, it's charging, guys. Look at this. This is my first time seeing a thing.
No plug.
Alis kami, guys. So, yun. Nagustuhan ni Tami yung relo. I know, maano talaga siya na, first time ko na-happy naman ako na nagustuhan niya. And guys, ang ginaw, guys, it's cold outside. Oh my God, guys. I really like the L'Oreal brow, guys. Ang ganda talaga niya, guys. As in, nagustuhan ko siya. Yung kapatid ni Tami nag-text sa akin kagabi. And then, tinawagan din nila si Tami para magpunta kami doon. And wala kasing magbantay. And yan, so, punta kami doon. Be a good girl, okay? Be a good girl. We will be right back. Dada and I will be right back. We're just gonna go to see Grandma. We're going to see Grandma. Mag-brush tayo. Ang dami na kasing nalulugas na buhok, guys. As in, dami. Ang sakit. Grabe lang, ang dami, Tommy told me, bring your key. So I have to bring my key. Even though I don't want to bring my key. Guys, for some reason, guys, ayaw talaga. Kapag kasama ko si Tami, ayaw ko magdala ng mga kahit anik-anik. Sabi pa niya, meron kang bag, binili, hindi mo ginamit. Hindi naman ako magbabag palagi. Gamitin ko lang yun ko kapag may mga importanteng bagay. Ay, ginoo ko. Puntahan natin si Bianan kasi siya lang yung mag-isa. Yung asawa ng kapatid ni Tami. Matanda din yung ina. Nilagay sa nursing home. And pinaalis ng nursing home. Kasi maldita kasi yung... Ay, Andrea. Look at my sister-in-law, guys' face. Let's go to... Where's my car kit? Right here. Okay. I'm going to ShopRite. A Price Chopper. I'm gonna buy something over there. Yeah, I need to buy some vegetables for tonight. And yeah, so yun lang. You know what? I can't. It's too hot. Yun. I will probably see you later. Ano lang si Tami, guys, nagdadrop ng ina niya sa dialysis. Hindi ko na nag-vlog kasi natutulog na talaga kami kanina, guys. So, sa couch ng sister-in-law ko kasi pagod talaga si Tami. Ako din pagod. So, punta tayo doon sa parking na doon kasi malayo ako sa parking. Hindi ako makikita ni Tami. Andito ako sa Price Chopper nag-park. Go to Home Depot?
Did you bother putting it in the GPS? No.
No, we know where
All
it
this
is.
time you were sitting here, you put it in the GPS.
We know where it is.
I do not.
Oh shit, I can't. I can't. We don't catch the light, guys. What the
I
frick?
gotta drive next time.
And why you see that?
Because I would have got to this parking lot much quicker than you. Would have made that light.
Please, hon.
Aye.
Hi, guys. My husband is reading text because I'm driving, so he's reading text.
Because you asked me to read the text.
Okay, I let him. What is it?
Okay. Dami mo na vlog ganda. Nagayang malipan kan
Huh?
na malabangan
And?
na ato manud nagmaga vlog mo abang
Han, can you just...
plus work. Then it says Katua Kamang.
Huh? I don't understand. I understand it's a
I don't understand for sure.
No, you should read it properly. It's a freaking letter, hon.
I read it properly, write it in English. How am I supposed to read words I can't pronounce these words? How do you pronounce N-M-N? Nimam?
Manga.
Manga. How do you get where's the O come from? Manga. There's no O there. Manga M-N. Would be manga.
M-N?
N-M like Mary and again. Naman.
Naman. It's a shortcut. A shortcut.
Oh, shorthand. So now, not only I don't know the language, I'm supposed to know shorthand for the language. Are you kidding me?
Ganda eh. Ngayon, malibangan na ako ng mga
Same as me.
habang
Same as me.
No, but I don't understand you're saying. All I know is dami muna vlog. That's it. And then after that, I don't even freaking clue what you're saying.
Now what's this hey?
It's a laughing thing.
I know it is. Why?
Excited? Excited to kiss mama? Kiss mama. Kiss mama. Come, kiss. There's somebody say going crazy. Hello! Kabayong buntis! Kabayong buntis! Kabayong buntis! Gusto kong pumunta sa Home Depot para bilhin yung yung floor mat na, how do you call that, Han? PVC? Vinyl? Vinyl. Sabi ko pa guys, kasi kasi sa Pilipinas, yung mga family ko or mga ibang tao, vinyl pala, vinyl, right? Vinyl. Sabi pa niya, he make fun of me, he just don't teach me. He said vanilla.
I teach her all the time and she keeps going back to the old.
He said vanilla. Vanilla. Han, vanilla. Vanilla. Ang lubot, ang bulot, ang puwit. What sauce? It's still in there. In the look, in the side, close to where you put the Tommy. Can you just give me your hand?
Well, you have it wrapped in paper. How am I supposed to know?
Because that's what we bring to Andrea, that we bring back here. Kaloka ning asawa ko. And this is guys,
I'm supposed to know that.
My husband's always looking with his mouth.
Look at his mouth.
Instead of using his eyes, he always uses his mouth. Like this. Apple, papa, apple, pipi. I like that noise. And it's kind of cute though. Yung watch niya guys. The Apple Watch is a nice. It's not really loud. Inuna talaga niya para sa window daw. Pumunta kami dito para sa para sa floor mat. Ngayon, window ang inuna. Kaluka. Ang daming kahoy, guys, oh. Kahoy. What is that? Oh, that's nice.
This is what you would probably put there for the entrances. It's probably what you would put for the cats.
This is nice. Stronger what you made. Oh, I like that. Oh, no. Hala.
Yeah.
No, you can't do it.
But I like both of them.
You like that sliding thing?
I like that slide look. Actually, I really like that one.
I like that one better than what we have.
If we actually dorm up the upstairs and make that.
I like this stuff. Gusto ko itong mga door dito. Storm door? What is that storm door about? Okay. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Yun, yung blinds guys, nasa ilalim ng glass. Ang ganda. Tignan nyo guys, napabili kami ni Tami guys ng Sabi pa niya, dalawa mo yung kunin, dalawa. Sabi ko, isa lang, ginuo ko. Alam nyo ba kung magkano to? $100. Ito. Para sa basement namin, para sa pusa. Tignan nyo. Sabi pa ni Tami, dalawa daw, ginuo ko, Lord. $200 sana yung magasto. Kaloka. So now what? Ang hirap, ang taas nito guys, look. Hala, Tami, look. Hala. Nako, Lord. Tignan nyo, guys. Kaloka naman ito, eh. Ito yung ilagay ko sa basement. Oh, it fits, guys. I don't know kung paano niya to. Hala. How are you gonna sit over there? There's no space for you. Look. No, it's...
They were all out.
Huh?
They're all out.
Okay, can you just tell me where? We need to get some vegetables, you know. I'll go run to Walmart and you stay in the car, okay? After namin pumunta sa Home Depot, pumunta ako sa Walmart. Stop over lang kami sa Walmart para bibili ng Hawaiian bread kasi wala na. 3 ito. Ilagay ko to sa basement itong isa. And ano pa ba? String beans para dinner. Salad at saka dog food and cat food. Yun talaga yung inano ko. So ngayon, ililinisin ko lang ito para lutuin. And yung steak, si Tami yung mag-grill. Manonood lang ako ng mga vlog. Cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. What do you want?
Yeah, so is the cottage cheese. I go by my rules anyway.
Misty. Nag-iba na yung color ng mga kahoy, guys. Yan. Doon din nag-iba na. Nagluto lang kami ng steak. So, yan na.
Well, it was my own fault. I don't sleep anyway, and then I wake up all night long. And, you know, I'm surprised you don't want to put back.
Why I have to put it back? Tell me. Is it that I don't have to put it back? Sorry, love. We are watching Ghost Whisperer. This is the show that we used to watch, guys. And
Up here?
no, I'm good.
I'll go back there.
No. And Hubs, no.
He said, well, you didn't come to give me treats, so I'm coming here tonight.
I love you. Good night. We're gonna end this vlog.
What are we doing? Take a night, guys.
We'll see
They
you
heard
tomorrow.
me.
Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Did you hear you, Juan?
Yeah.
Hello, it's amazing, right?
You read it? It's Tagalog.
Did you hear you? It's amazing, guys. You heard him? Amazing. Oh my goodness. I love him so much. Good night, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow.